What are you doing?
Me?
What is that?
Brownie rolls.
For what? Why are you getting that if you're going to the dentist?
Mommy said I can choose something.
So you choose that?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Do that make sense? If you're getting your teeth done and you're eating something sweet? Do that make sense?
Yeah, because there is good something sweet.
Because Dory getting something for her snack for school. You want to wait until you finish the dentist, then you get you something?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so put that back. Thank you.
Okay.
So, since I'm here, Publix got buy one, get one free. So I want to pick the best ones for mommy.
I like these. I know which one she likes.
She like all of them because they're roses. She's a rose girl.
I like this one.
That one has a little dead one. See it?
How about these?
Get one that's not dead.
Mommy's gonna definitely like these flowers.
Yeah, I know. Yep, she got him.
Really? Yeah, he got me. You're so sneaky.
For being an amazing,
I was taking
amazing
so
person.
long.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you, Ozzy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dodor.
You're welcome.
That was so sweet.